Hi everybody, it's Joe from Chalily, where we celebrate water in the garden. Today I got a fun plant to share with you. It's called bloody dock. This plant is in the same family as sorrel, so if you want to try and eat it, tell me what you think. I've never tried to eat it. Sorrel can take full sun to part shade. I think in the northern climates you can get away with more sun. In the southern climates you want to go with more shade. This plant is really grown for its foliage. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen it bloom, but that foliage is outstanding. It forms little clumps about a foot high, and we can grow it in the water up to 2 inches over the top of the crown. But look at that foliage. It's a beautiful green, and the veins are a maroon to a red. All that interest. It's very pretty, and I think you should consider adding bloody dock to your water garden. I thank you for watching. Check us out at chalily.com, Facebook, or Instagram.